Okay. Good morning, children. Today we learn the lesson 3 before the match. So this before the match lesson is written by R.K. Narayan. He was an Indian famous writer. He wrote a novel called Swami and Friends. Swami and Friends. So this lesson, it is an extract taken from that novel. What is that novel? Swami and Friends. So this is a very interesting lesson. We can enjoy the lesson because it is based on the match. Okay, small incident that happened in this novel. They have taken small incident. Let us see what is that. So the match was to be played on Sunday 2 weeks later. Okay, they have planned to play a cricket match. Match means here cricket match. Okay, they have planned. And there were two teams were going to play. One is MCC team, MCC, and another one is YMU team. Okay, here we are going to see the partners, the team members of MCC team members. Okay, MCC team. And the conversation happened between the MCC team members. Okay, let us start the lesson. At last, we will see who will win the match, or else they will win or not. That and all we will see what and all happen in the match. Rajam lost all peace of mind. He felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU. He himself could be dependent upon to not let down the team. Money was steady if unimpressive. He could be dependent upon to stop with his head if necessary any ball. His batting was not bad. So here Rajam was the captain of MCC team, and he had lot of confidence that YMU team, okay, they can win like that. He was, and also he was little bit worried because he had some people with him. The team members were good, but he was worried about one person. Okay, why he was worried about one person, one team member? Let us see what the reason, what made him that much anxious. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. On him rested a great task, a mighty responsibility. He was the Tate of the team, and he looked uncertain even with the match only a fortnight off. He did not seem to care for practice. Swami, Rajan pleaded, please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings. Certainly, Rajam, if you can suggest a way. So here Rajam was worried about this boy. Who is that? Swami. Because Swami was not coming for practice. Daily they need 2 weeks time was there, no? So daily they need to practice the cricket match in order to win. Okay. These team members, Rajam belongs to which team? MCC team. Okay. So he was the captain for the team. So he was a little bit worried about this boy because he is the dependent person, because the entire team is dependent upon this boy. Who is that? Swami. He is well able. He is like a Tate, means important person of the team. Okay, he has that much talents. That's why, but he is not coming for practice, not taking practice. That is the main problem with Swami. Why he was not coming? Why he couldn't come? Let us see. And even Rajam began to ask, why don't you try to come and take practice? Then, okay, I am ready to come, but if you give any suggestion, then I can follow. Why not tell your headmaster that? Then Rajam said, you go and ask your headmaster so that he can give permission in the evenings and you can come for practice. But Swaminathan, see how he is telling, oh no, Swaminathan cried, I am grateful to you for your suggestion, but let us not think of that man. He doesn't want to listen about his headmaster because he is scared. He is so serious man and strict person. He is not letting Swami in the evening to go and have the practice. That was his problem. Okay, that's why Swaminathan was worried and he is not able to do the practice well. Then, but Rajam is telling, I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. I don't want that excuses. Okay, I want you do the practice. You should have good practice so that we can win the match. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. He has put condition before itself, before the match. That's what before the match. What is the condition? If Swami let any batsman to stand for the 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes, then Rajam will never see his face again. It means that Swami should do good bowling in order to out the batsman. Then just 7 days before the match, in this page, last paragraph we can see. So again, just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground, but contrary to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. Okay, so daily they used to have the drill practice, evening times, that okay, like that. But every day they have to remove their coat and cap. After that they need to wear the dhotis and all, so that they can have the drill. But contrary means against to the custom, this Swaminathan was wearing coat and also cap. All the others were in dhotis. Okay, shirts and dhotis. But this only Swaminathan was wearing the coat and cap. And immediately see the drill master stopped before him, looked him up and down, and paused on muttering, "You won't get leave. You will not get leave." Okay, coat and cap off. Then Swaminathan became desperate and pursued him. Sir, he began to ask, keep on, sir, I am in terrible state of health. I can't attend till today. I shall die if I do. Okay, he is telling little lies. What is that? That he was not feeling well, and even he was not able to attend the drill. If he attend the drill, what will happen? He is telling he will die. Oh my goodness. What type of lies he is telling? He made all lies. And the drill master had come to the last boy, and yet Swaminathan was joking him. He turned round on Swaminathan with the fierce oath. What is the matter with you? He began to ask. But keep on, this Swaminathan, he didn't leave him, keep on asking. Oh sir, please sir, he was requesting. I want to leave. But at last the drill master turned towards him. Okay, what's the matter with you, boy? Then sir, the whole night I was delirious. He used one word. He doesn't know the meaning of that word. Just he was using that word. The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. You were delirious? He was exclaimed. I didn't sleep a wink last night. I was delirious. Oh, doctor said so. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. Easily, he doesn't want to attend the drill because he wanted to go for practice. That's why he's making all lies and he's telling all the lies. How drama is making, huh? Oh, I don't believe a word. Get out. Who said? The drill master said, though he didn't believe Swaminathan words, but at last he'll send him out. He said with anger mood, he said, get out. Okay, then everybody so happily, Swaminathan went to his ground for doing practice. Everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. 1 week was there, 7 days only. At that time, Swaminathan realized, okay, these 7 days, I need to do the practice. So, till then he was lazy. He was not taking permission and he was not showing interest. That's why Rajam was also a little worried. But just before 7 days, he got real attention towards the game and seriousness. Even some people will be like that. No, just before the exam day, they will get interest. Till then, they will not have any seriousness. Right? So, even Swaminathan also like that only. Just 7 days before, he got that interest and he took the permission after making all drama. And the next morning he formed a plan. Okay, one day he got the idea and he did, it was worked. Okay, and the next morning he formed a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. Okay, for still 6 more days were there. No, for that how we will manage? So for that also he managed, and he planned something for that. How can he escape that drill evening, every evening? So it was 7:30 in the morning the next day. Imagine, it may be Tuesday. Okay, 7:30, and he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. He stood before a shop in front of which hung at the board Dr. T. Kesavan L.M. and S. Sri Krishna Dispensary. And Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. So next day he went to the shop. It was a clinic, dispensary, means a doctor will be there. He found one board also, and doctor's name is T. Kesavan L.M. and that S. C. Krishna Dispensary. And also he found that he was alone and free. So immediately he entered the dispensary to talk with doctor. And hello Swaminathan, what's the matter? I think already Swaminathan knew the doctor. Okay, directly when doctor saw him, so he asked Swaminathan, what is the matter? Why did you come here? Then doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. I need one doctor's certificate. Can you give me? Then he began to, what's the matter? Without matter, they won't give any certificates, right? That's why. Okay, I will tell you the truth, doctor. Okay, I will tell you the truth. Whatever the truth is, a fact, I will tell you. I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union. That is, I told no, YMU. It means the full form is Young Men's Union. And I must have some practice. Only 1 week time is there. Next week I need to play game. For that match I need practice. And yet every evening there is drill class, scouting, and some dirty period or other. Some dirty period is telling, drill class, scouting, and dirty period. Okay, or others are there. So I can't escape those classes. But I have to practice the match. Okay, he has told everything to doctor. Then doctor heard everything. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. Okay, doctor, he requested the doctor to give the certificate that Swami should leave the school at 4:30 exactly every evening. They should leave him so that he can have the practice. In such a way, doctor has to give the certificate. That is the condition. Well, then doctor said, I could do it. But is there anything wrong with you? Then doctor, okay, I will give you. But what about your health? Is there anything wrong with you? Then only I can give the certificate. Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Actually, he is well right. He is perfectly all right physically. Then he was thinking about what can I show, like that. Then at last, certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. He began to say that he had delirium. Then, boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? He doesn't know the meaning of delirium, right? So he began to ask, what is the delirium? Why are you telling that it is not fit for you? Then I can't say exactly, but it is not. It's some kind of stomachache. Okay, nicely is telling one more lie. See, if you say one lie, in order to cover the lie, again and again, you need to tell the lies. That's why don't tell lies. Then I can't say. Then the doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. Okay, doctor began to laugh and laugh after listening the word delirium from Swaminathan. Right, he began to laugh after that. So much he laughed, it means. Then after that, he looked at Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest, and declared him to be in the pink of health, and told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. Okay. Okay, he checked him and he told that he is perfectly all right, and he cannot avoid drill. He can practice the drill. Then Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evenings free. But doctor said, it is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I gave you any such certificate. Okay, I cannot give the certificate. If I give you the wrong certificate, then I will be punished. That's what doctor told. Then who is going to find it out, doctor? Do we want our MCC to lose the match? Okay, you give it off now. No one will check. Who will find it? Just give it off. Like that, Swaminathan is also compelling doctor to give the certificate without having any health issues. That is against the law, right? The doctor should not give that certificate without any reason. Then I wish you all success. Don't worry. I can't give you a certificate. See how he's telling? Don't worry, I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. Okay, but doctor has given a promise that he will talk with his headmaster, and I will request him to let Swaminathan go after 4:30. Okay, in such a way doctor helped Swaminathan to do the practice, and at last they won the match, though they have not given in the textbook. So I can imagine they have won the match, and at last Swaminathan said, that will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. So Swaminathan was so happy. Doctor didn't give the certificate, but he helped Swaminathan by requesting his headmaster. Okay, that was the lesson. I think you have understood the lesson. Very easy lesson. Next class I will give you the classwork. Thank you.